Hey, what's up? This your girl Roro. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel, Lifestyle of a Penny Pincher. Yes. So this topic is going to be about face masks. Y'all, we have to wear our face masks everywhere we go. I don't care if it's with co-workers, family members, whatever the case may be. Wear your mask. This stuff is real, baby. Corona ain't playing with us, okay? So a lot of people came to me and say, well, I want to make my own mask, but I don't have no elastic. The fabric stores are sold out and all that. I understand, because I be having the same problem. So I came up with a solution. Y'all know I'm cheap. So I'm supposed to find the cheapest solution possible to make it happen. Okay, stay tuned. I'm going to show y'all how to do a easy DIY mask with no elastic. You can use a face mask that you already have or just a disposable surgical mask. I use my fingers to do my measurement. I do 2 fingers for the top, 2 fingers for the bottom, and 1 finger for each side. You can use any type of material you like. I just chose bandanas because they just $1.97 each, and they come in different loud colors. I always like to do something flashy for the face mask, but when it's time for the backing, the part that can't no one see, I just do like a dull or plain solid color. So for the metal piece that goes around the nose area of the face mask, I decided to use these here, what are called pipe cleaners. You actually can get these in your arts and craft department. These are optional. You can use them, and some people do, some people don't. But I like it because it gives you a snug to your face. Now here you have the t-shirt. This is what we're going to make the elastic out of. And you can choose any color t-shirt, white, black, lime green, it don't matter. Once you cut your t-shirt up into little strands, then all you do is get the shirt, and once you pull it, you'll start seeing a little elastic kind of bend. And this is what we're going to place around our ears. And all you do is get your old face mask and measure the strings according to the string that you already have. And then that's where you can determine how long your string needs to be for your new face mask that you are making. Okay, here comes the tricky part. Only thing you do is get your face mask and give it a little pinch. And each little corner, we're going to put some glue in it. And all this is putting like the little creases in the face mask, so that way when you expand it, it'll cover up your whole face. Okay guys, and there you have it, a DIY mask using no elastic. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like my video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And
Do not forget to wear your face mask. The life you save might be your very own.